In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove background from any image on your iPhone. So if you want to remove background of any image on your iPhone, there isn't any need to install any third-party application on your phone. There is an inbuilt feature on your iPhone which allows you to remove the background of any image on your iPhone. So let's get started. Let's open the photo app. To elaborate the process, I have an image over here. So in this image you can see I have captured a food image. So here I want to remove the background from the image. So to remove the background, we'll need to just long tap on the subject which we want to keep. So I want to keep this food plate. So I'll long press on this image, and once you see the animation, just leave it, and here you will get two options, copy and share. So if you want to copy, you can just copy, and the image which is without background will be saved in your clipboard. So now you can open any app or Instagram or WhatsApp, and you can just paste it, and the image will be pasted without the background. So this you can paste across any apps and send it to your friends. So if you want to save the file without the background, just long press on it, and once you see that animation, just leave it, and here just tap on the share button, and here you will get various options. You can share the image across the apps on your phone without the background, or else you can just make another copy which is without the background by tapping on the save image. So save image will create one more image file without the background. Here you can see in the photos the image has been saved without the background. So only the subject, which is a food plate, is seen over here, and it is without the background. So this is how you can remove background from any images on your iPhone without installing any third party application on your phone. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.